Clinical Legal Education program is an elective that students can do in their final year. It has some classroom teaching, but most of it is done in clinics that the law school runs, or they're placed in community legal centres. It means that they can do the work that a junior lawyer would do in their final year of study. The CLE program is so great for students who actually want to contribute to the community, to give back something. Most of the clients that we deal with in the clinics come from quite disadvantaged backgrounds. They're people who wouldn't necessarily be able to afford a lawyer, but they're really vulnerable to being exploited by people. So it gives students a chance to actually really work with some disadvantaged people and really feel like they're helping people significantly.
I was lucky enough to be a part of Clinical Legal Education, CLE, at the law school, in which I was placed at the Adelaide Legal Outreach Service. I found it a really useful placement over the semester, and it was supported with seminars from the law school in order to help us reflect on community legal service and use that as part of our practice.
The program's important because it gives students a taste of what legal practice is like and what the legal profession is like to be a part of. They're doing really all the work that a junior lawyer would be doing, but they're doing it under the close supervision of a clinical supervisor. So the Clinical Legal Education program really combines the best of being a student and the best of being a young lawyer. Students will get the chance to interview clients, to manage a file, to do legal research. They'll liaise with public trustees and the police, community housing organisations, all the sort of organisations that you'd be dealing with as a lawyer, but they get to do it under the supervision, so in a much less stressful environment. It also means that they're working in a very small group, maybe for the first time in their legal studies, so they would be working maybe as a group of 8 students with a clinical supervisor, so they get a really good chance to know their teacher, learn about the legal profession from somebody who's working in the area. To get involved, students can apply online at any time. The information's always available, but everybody will get an email towards the end of the year letting them know that they can apply for the program. So they apply online, they give information about why they're interested in the program, what sort of community experience they have maybe with other organisations, and they'll be selected on that basis.